Okay guys, this is the Husqvarna 675 all-wheel drive. It has the, what's it called?
Automatic choke?
No. Well, yeah, it has that too, but the, what are we trying to fix?
Oh, it's not pulling real hard. It still pulls pretty good. But we don't want to mow that slow.
Okay, so this is a quick and easy budget fix. There's an adjustment screw on here that you want to turn, and to make this thing, so from this angle, if you're up here at the control station, you would do clockwise like that. So give that thing just a couple of turns there and see how you like that, and then come back and try it.
Okay, so once you get the big screw set to where it's actually pulling a little tighter on the belt, making it go faster, you need to turn this set screw back down here or it'll vibrate away, but it's done now. It'll haul balls.
So if this video helped you, please like, consider subscribing. We've got a lot of cool videos coming up, and there's some in the kitty, so take a look at those. We got budget projects, we got ATV projects, we got boat projects, we got it all. Thanks.